Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export Excel data to HTML file with Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel's export range to file can help you export a range of data in Microsoft Excel as HTML files quickly and conveniently. Select the range you want to export as an HTML file. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list. Select the Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog box, check the Simple HTML or Complex HTML or formatting option as you need. Then select the file options such as background color, name, size or color, horizontal alignment, and then click the Browse button to choose a location to put the exported HTML file. Click the OK button and then click the OK button. In the popped out Export Range to File dialog box, please type a new file name for your exported file. Then click OK, and the selected data in Excel has been exported to an HTML file. Kutools for Excel's export range to file makes it possible to easily export a range of dates to a file either in Excel workbook, a CSV, a text file, a simple HTML, or all formatting HTML. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.